Hi students, let us try to understand the hydrocarbon. I have selected for this one introduction, I have selected from Narayana Neat book. Okay, so let us try to understand here. The term hydrocarbon is self-explanatory, which means compound of carbon and hydrogen only. You know, compound of carbon, hydrogen only. Okay, like like we are having CH4. Only carbon and hydrogen are there. C2H6. Only carbon and hydrogen are there. C3H8. Again carbon and hydrogen are there. These are. Hydrocarbon play a key role in our daily life. Okay, hydrocarbon play a key role in our daily life. You must be familiar with the term LPG, CNG used as a fuel, right? LP is the abbreviated from the liquefied petroleum gas. CNG stands for the compressed natural gas. Another term LNG, liquefied natural gas, is also a news these days. This is also fuel and obtained by liquefaction of natural gas. Petrol, diesel, kerosene oil are obtained by the fractional distillation of petroleum found under the earth crust. Coal gas is obtained by the destructive distillation of coal. Coal gas is obtained by destructive distillation of coal. Similarly, natural gas is found upper strata during the drilling of oil well. Okay, so natural gas will be above the petroleum. The gas after compression is known as compressed natural gas, CNG. Okay, LPG is used as a domestic fuel with the least pollution. Kerosene oil is also used as a domestic fuel, but it causes some pollution. Automobiles need fuel like petrol. Diesel, CNG, petrol, CNG operated automobile cause less pollution. All these fuels contain mixture of hydrocarbons which are source of energy. Hydrocarbons are also used for the manufacturing of polymers like polythene, polypropylene and polystyrene etc. Higher hydrocarbons are used as a solvent paint. They are also used as the starting material for manufacture of many dyes and drugs. Thus, you can well understand the importance of hydrocarbon in our daily life. In this unit, you will learn more about the hydrocarbon. So, these are the some competitive points student that you need to keep in mind. Let us have a look over the classification. Hydrocarbons are of different type depending upon the types of carbon-carbon bond present. They classified into three main categories: saturated, unsaturated, and aromatic hydrocarbon. Saturated hydrocarbon contain carbon-carbon and carbon-hydrogen single bond. If different carbon atoms are joined together to form open chain carbon atom with single bond, they are termed as alkane. On the other hand, carbon atoms form a closed chain or ring, they term as cycloalkane. Unsaturated hydrocarbon contain carbon-carbon multiple bond, triple bond or both aromatic hydrocarbon are special type of cyclic compound. So there is open aliphatic open chain, closed chain, and that is saturated, unsaturated, acyclic, and aromatic. So these are. Let us try to have the look over the alkanes. Alkanes are the saturated open chain hydrocarbon containing carbon-carbon single bond. Methane is the first member of this family. Methane is gas found in the coal mines, marshy places. If you replace one hydrogen atom of methane by carbon and join the required number of hydrogen to satisfy the tetravalency of other carbon atom, what you get? You will get C2H6. This hydrocarbon with molecular formula C2H6 is known as ethane. Thus, you can consider C2H6 as derived from CH4 by replacing one hydrogen atom by CH3 group. Go constructing CH3 group. The next molecule will be C3H8 C4H10. These hydrocarbons are inert under normal condition as they do not react with acid, base or other reagent. Hence, they were earlier known as paraffins. Latin meaning param, little, affins means affinity. The general formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, where n stands for the number of carbon atom and 2n plus 2 for the number of hydrogen atom in the molecule. Methane has tetrahedral structures, which is which is multiplanar, in which carbon atom lies at the center and the four hydrogen atom lie at the four corner of the regular tetrahedral. Okay, so here you can see that is hybridization. In alkane, tetrahedral are joined together, in which C and CH bond length are 154 and 112 picometer respectively. The CC and CH sigma bond are formed by head-to-head overlapping sp3 hybridization and carbon and 1s orbital of hydrogen atom. Right, student. If you talk about the sources of hydrocarbon, student, there are natural sources. So that is, what are the sources? If you see, petroleum, presence of large quantity of liquid hydrocarbon. Natural gas, presence mainly lower alkane, like that contains 80% CH4, 10% C2H6, 10% mixture of higher alkane, and traces of H2, N2, CO2. Beeswax, Myrcel platinum palmitate, also containing a small quantity of C27, H56 and C31H64. Fuel gas obtained from the coal contains about 32% of CH4. So these were the point related to introduction of hydrocarbon. Thank you so much for watching, friend. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, and don't forget to comments.